Hey there, Melissa here with West Coast Connects. I want to take a minute and just shoot over that video as promised. So I'm going to go through some tips and tricks and ways that you can grow your business through your website and your Google business profile. And you can do this all in-house. So the first thing that I noticed about your website that looks really nice, has some great layout. But one thing I can tell you about Google is they love to see a whole lot of content. That's really how you're going to be found. Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your homepage. And within those content, you want to use keywords. So Google has what's called crawlers. They crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. So they're looking for what your site should be found for. Things like the areas that you serve and the services that you provide. So those are all going to be those keywords that you want to include. Things like roofing, Memphis, Tennessee, roofing company, Memphis, Tennessee, roofers in Memphis, Tennessee, things of that nature. Those are all going to be keywords. And you also want to save these photos as those keywords as well. All of your photos on here are going to count as content. Okay, so let's go take a look at the Google search engine and do a search for the keyword roofer, Memphis, Tennessee. So the first thing that pops up here is the Google Ads. So these are all the businesses that are paying per click. And that's really a great way if you need to bring in a lot of business immediately. The next thing that comes up is what we call the map pack. And the map pack is all of the businesses that have a Google business profile. And I wasn't sure if you guys had one or not. If it was, I didn't see it on the first page here. So there's quite a few ways to rank your GBP. Super easy to do. The three things that you want to do are citations, photos, and reviews. So citations, a citation is any directory where your business name, address, and phone number is listed. There are thousands of them, but things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Chamber of Commerce, Angie's List, Home Advisor. So you want to put your company in as many directories as possible. And that's going to help you to rank on this map pack. Because ideally you want to be in one of these top three positions, right? You know, the easiest to be found, people can just look you up on their mobile phone and click on one of these in the map pack. The second thing is Google reviews. And you want to try and get as many reviews as possible. The name of the game is to always just outbeat those competitors. So you can see they have 278, 85, 83. So you want to go above and beyond what they have. The third thing is photos. You want to be saving photos and posting to your GBP on probably a weekly basis. You want to continuously be posting those photos, and you want to save those photos as those keywords we talked about and also geotag them. That's going to make a huge difference in Google finding you and ranking you in this map pack. The next thing that we have is the organic listings. So ideally you want to be obviously in the first page of this as well. You can see this guy, Excellent Roofing. He's in the number 1 of the organics, and he's also in the number 1 of the map pack. So that's really the spot you want to be in. And that's that position that you want to steal, the top 1 in the map pack and the top in organics. So let's go take a look at his website and see what he's doing to get there. So this is this guy's website, Excellent Roofing. It looks decent too. I don't really think the design or layout is any better than yours, but he does have quite a bit of content, but really not enough. So that means that he would be super easy to beat out content-wise. But obviously there's some other things that go into it as well, right? So we're going to plug him into this program we use called Ahrefs. And it looks at the analytics of the site. So you can see here, this is called the UR and the DR rating. And this is based off of 100. So these numbers are super important when it comes to Google. The UR is going to be how trustworthy your site is. And the DR is how powerful your site is. The UR is typically raised by citations, those directories that we talked about. And the DR is typically raised by backlinks. You might be wondering what the heck a backlink is. A backlink is any website, article, or blog that's referring people back to your site. It's kind of like a popularity contest. The more people that are referencing your website URL, the more Google's going to see your site as being powerful and authoritative, and they're going to kick it to the top of their rankings. So you can see they have 7,000 backlinks coming from 354 referring domains. They also have over 1,000 keywords that they're ranking for. And all in all, the backlinks, citations, content, that is bringing 531 people that are viewing their site per month. So let's take a look at your numbers here. Your numbers aren't terrible at all. You're at a 21 and a 4.8. You have 135 backlinks coming from 33 referring domains, 294 keywords. I really think that if you could just grab some of those powerful backlinks like we talked about, add some more citations where your business is listed at, and add some of those keywords to your content, you'd be in super great shape and starting to go up on those rankings and get to that first page of Google. Well, I hope that you found this helpful and you can find the time to implement some of these strategies. I think it really help in growing your business and getting some more phone calls in the door from your website and your Google business profile. Please leave us some feedback and let us know your thoughts. Or you can just reach out to me directly, either reply to the email or you can give me a call. Again, my name's Melissa. My number's 321-225-2694. Have a great night.